the ma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. My many in common issues and pay areas here. Many about what to make my chain.
Yes, now
upon Boko there. Good. And pay that's it. Na Yemisa, some I know, me Kaisa, ya this uncle, ya mene Chief Ankasa di home komo ma or tray the Omobabe KMA and she say I'm with the Guaquemu. Per the plan on that a net. Pacho sanity and then some no eshas
Pacho Mamintia na Mintia with for me and Pacho Sapepe and then I eshas.
Oh, okay. Enti for ye omo omonte ye. Ene omo Martin so mu refi no. Eye den a na assembly ni ba be ye.
Yo. Pacho nsama no senia ye nim dada no yesisa nyina na ye tse ye maame no ne ye nana no ka nsama omo ye environmental health officers omo assembly omo hwese ahonini ebe kosto ewo ye mpotem na esanse oba na standard ye nyina ye hwehwe ahonini no bebi ye pese kodru no se ndru ya na wasemo wo Bronika Sasemo, now what do I could not say, maybe an accord so I can swan answer a ball cano. And no, and an anonymous Samo to me cannot come some. And see, I buy a part of us saying I can't summon some. Now I refer to environmental health officers and answer inspectors. Or bat yem potem, ever say, a hunini cosing, be I yet. Enunti idea ewo ho a omuye na chief executive ye owura Richard for my boy di say opese okanya mu na ono aso edi animu bi ene inspectors no potem hwe senia ahunye den etie na se obi na ne ho so anase boafaye bi ekoso wo potem so a ono so aboa hwe ama ya apamusa niama na free entem na se ye fam potem a nwura ya bone doa nwura efufu wonkofo fie ni eye apoto bibre ni sa niama na ekofo atwi wo mani wo ho ni nyina yetumi ahwe Akoma FM dan ho so anase wonyanka ye se bibi sei wo ho no ma yenye sure se obeyi nani efri na ho ni ne chefa ewu eso nti na ema ye bibia etisa
enti hen enane ye hwe ni mu say this exercise be starting.
Okay, mena ka say the whole of last week fiti ejuade etwe mu kopem ndre ye announcement ana say yakaka ya amanfo ya bo ho dehoro efri eye the chancellor electoral area and ya san so aye from electoral area from electoral area eye from west and this is electoral areas no ya ye ni nyina ya ye kai omo se na wotwi omo na ye ni omo be di se adwuman nti emu ba bia ye betumi ato afa honom.
Okay enti edia ne dia na team no ekwa akohye and edia na ye hu wo ho ayetimi ka se watomra ye chew and process na de be famu no ye den ye chew na ya charge you fine spot fine and I say what is the process?
Pacho ye ne team of inspectors for environmental health and eco into mukita checklist maybe ni say mantama ebefa if ya ebefa ni mu shop ebefa ni container ebefa ni na businesses ebefa ni mu drain e da wanim achoki aye wa said yes wo ye mu amwo ho no wo kam ho bom na mu yi edi free honum ebiem ehwefu se hwefu a ma said yes modo ehonum na ya san so ahwe se so apotobi brebi ewo baby sa apotobi bre wo honum a ma said yes mu yi edi free honum ebe san so ahwe se bebi a mugu ensu ebi a muja monan etesen se enye dia na ewo se yetumi esaman mo na ye saman wa ye sport fine even though say bylaws as stipulated and yet bylaws me say will be yes from so na e wo say ye de no ko asenibia na opem wo tie dwemu no ejina bylaws me so na o de fine nipa no ana say o de jai no depending on the wisdom of the court. The omo pesa omo ye. But ye mom de ya mo bi bia tia say say officers no e wo ground that say if you we me yakom ye no makasa ya mom warning e bia sa na da so tie nti sa no obi a the first time there e bia in the wisdom of the assembly no be ti man grace period so okay ya ma 2 days fa ye free ho no ye ba na nye we ya ba nia officers na ma ya so say oma bo mo so abo still a the ombe ya no be yam eno de mama ye ho kwan say yetumi esam na ye de ko gina say ni bia na say esam ayo ye ma wo krata say e bia wo adwa mansa house number this be say ye be to say bola esi ho ache ye be to say Johnson agifie ho ye be to say bi ejanan bia no pa obi didi a won fanche ejanan no sent ho na say nsu bi timi efa ho no ma na say wa channel ye wo janan bia no akogu drain bi emu because the choir announcement no perform my hint if you nsu to a omoto ball room ne sa ne man ko fo chere nti yeso say taking notice you see for my e be he sa ne man nyina.
I see. But we say dedicated court. Sa dwumadi. Is that how we are going to operate? We bisa say KMA Sanitation Court ho.
If I try or Prempeh Assembly Hall, either court 1 or court 2, who be at me demise. I will share a bra. Na ye war against omo kikin ra egu otun for runabout, empty runabout na. Ye chi omo e di omo ko ho ne hwan ye di omo ko ye na. Omo evidence I provide ye no. Na overwhelming court no so hu say said you enye say aboye tim ye de nkrofo bi aba. Na emom no nkrofo omo di sa abone no. Nti that court no so e wo honom. And mpanyifo so to anamon so money court registration mpanyifo be di nkomo sene be ya ebe ye cases ni nyina be ko ehonom na etumi aboa na aboa ne ye
87.9 Kumasi
enti na yanim say sanitation court there wo ebe KMA eno no what has happened to it?
Oh, but sanitation court there has always been at the Prempeh Assembly Hall.
Oh sir,
ehonom na ye chim patran ehonom na ye che enko sanitation offenders pacho ye di omoko.
Oh, I see. Now, yeah, na ye mubi eba say ya ye be kan ho asem ba ye busa say how e betima sustain no. Say obi uncompromise. Na why na one also who watches the watchman? The omo a inspectors no mo kono. Omo ye nipa omo betimi compromise ya ma dey we out of him. Measures being and what's the assurance say so this exercise here be ye betima sustain no. Am ya achieve the pese nya.
Yeah, I'm pas sure already can chief executive Nankasa you're interested in advocacy and I say okun into onwa de ne ho ajemubi. Pacho fachami. Aside so onwa de ne ho ajemubi no with 2 officers from assembly team na ebe kono obi ebe ka ho into ya so officers ni bi ebe di eche no ebe play supervisory role say ye ko na bibi etochima ho na officer no ana inspector no o kana wan tia obetumi ababak aba report to management say ebi a ye call area A say na me hu say inspectors no into no so no a way of checking them ebetumi ede asotwen and sanctions ama omo.
Oh, okay. Inti say let's say facility as in oko atwumu mu ho shops e wo ho nyina no eduru ho na say identify say bibi e wo ho a enkoyi a do we have a way you be dealing with it? Why near friend why near chinaso in the case of a Jose Nano it is will be a BA sewage be a man in Namoha you can't want some environment for environmental for 2 1 moko share resolve in that situation I mean him say be a yen ru but do we have a way you dealing with some of these facilities shops and those things within the metropolis?
Because latter part of last year shop owner be very reported Toba be urina ednam gatem na estelia ba ne honom. Fortunately, Obaya Oba report, the chief executive and Kasajina environmental area ho nti ono na je complain and ono idea ni mu ekoye ye koye no na ono no be report here ka no ye complicit ewo nti one ye close it down shop bar no ye right shop bar ni ko hu say ampa de ma me be kan no ye ne pre na ono so the contribution ka ho because na was pavement on the shop na name no it was a contributing factor yeah ono so samai no e ka chere ne say ono no de ne amfa na court na mom ye man days a onyi ombubu sa de na wa ye na ntimi mansuo no ko no e de enfi ho e na be no ono aso ekra ne bola no so ye chere ne say enye sa na wo so e de okra no onyi fi ho nti omo ano ma ye connected ni nyina no ye samai obia e mo mu days e wo say omo de tigas anim so mo streamline ni ma this nation ya ye san call back me who say no ma rectify so ba no na na be take here while I think it took 2 weeks or so and omutimi e de esiesie omo after omo assess ya omo hu say directify de ma omo bia na nhyehyɛ ya ye de ma omo bia omo di so no omo bi esan e de ma omo.
Okay, I see. Now for omo wo Mansia North and now the Cambo Boston submetros no na omo be share I enforce and I say eno sila no assembly KMA team no na be movie direct.
Okay, if I should me is right there. Yeah, the baby I Mansia South focus no Mansia South.
Okay,
We'll be moving to the other sub-metros. At the sub-metro, no one can say environmental health officers. And I visit to main assembly. It's the all assembly, no, in office, no, you could join metro honum. A sub-metro administrators, no, on us officers, our honum. Administration was supervisory rule on the officers, that were always and person so and an area and Ayaba. It's the exercise now, you just find, say, a far, men one, no, or so I said, yes, say. Oshe say nia ebe hu ya ye correct esi omo correct no akosi sen na isan se beje report eni se nia nia ma e ko so e wo ho no e free ni ho.
Okay. I think that ye tenie ma say but one thing so ne say enipa no wodi for ye ba be chi no a ye be movie no a ana say we make sure ye be register or ana say we enter your details and later we'll pick you up or you pick you direct to the work court on that day now.
Okay. Pacho, nipa no say a man sermon no say actual nia waye ewom. Officer no assign. Officer no sign or the to down home. Now after signature of a court registrar na say judge or TJM no. Now I in why you do not say the amano. No waba if you be any details it do campaign bit me the omo and what's that no
every time pacho down ho kakra me now line breaki other roma I say cry is it I say cry any ko wachi kakra ko wachi kakra but ma mintio hello.
Hello, Mpacho Muye.
Yes, yes, and now we can say mobile. Yes, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, kita obia na ya bet muji into fan comment. Ya bet sure ni din the particulars bibia ya de be hu no e wo sermons me so. Na ya de aba court dan ho ama judge assign we are e ba be issue now I report it court ho.
Okay. I see. And to neno a better time by.
Oh, me did say and monon clonde na your free officer eko.
And then some boo. Obi anyina yi.
And I'm Christ.
But I never see areas now. More than money chere kan no. Na yenso so say trofo yenso yemfa cameras immediately.
But so you call the so electoral area. Na ya sansa for from CPC. Me a call from West. But me do office and me who so you better say pie for from CPC and na say the so. No. Environmental officer no the to first protocol no I say.
Okay. ɛnɛ mo ba nso yɛ twɛn mame mfa wo nsi ha me no wase na me mfa wo nsi ha. Thank you very much Henrita. Osafo nti ɛno yɛ Henrita afia konadu aboagye ɔyɛ PRO de ma KMA nti wasomu a